Welcome to a world where sustainability and innovation converge. Imagine a world where the products we use, the technologies we rely on, and the processes we follow are all designed with the environment in mind. Innovation is the driving force behind our efforts. We're exploring groundbreaking technologies, materials, and processes that align with sustainable practices. Our journey began with the publication of UL 3600, our standard for measuring and reporting circular economy initiatives. We will continue our work to advance circularity and expand our scope to include climate resilience, recyclability of plastics, waste reduction, and more. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we're paving the way for a greener, more efficient future. At the heart of this program lies collaboration. We are convening experts representing industry, regulatory bodies, NGOs, consumers, and many others from around the world to collectively address challenges in embracing sustainability. The expertise of these stakeholders will shape the standards we create and maintain on a continual basis, ensuring they are both impactful and sustainable. We invite you to join us in the remarkable journey. The time for sustainability is now, and the power to create a lasting impact is in your hands. Join one of our sustainability technical committees with me and other professionals working to advance sustainability through standardization. Visit ulse.org to learn more about our Standard Sustainability Program and how to get involved. Together, we can shape a sustainable future where innovation and global impact thrive.